Hello everyone. Welcome to Jewels Galore at Jewelry Pattern Ideas YouTube channel. Have you ever come across a gemstone so rich, so bold, that it feels like it's alive with energy? Meet red jasper, the deep red stone. That's been admired since ancient times for its strength, protection, and earthy charm. In today's video, we'll explore what makes red jasper so special, how it's used in jewelry, and how you can style it to bring confidence and grounding energy into your life. Red jasper is a variety of quartz, part of the chalcedony family. It gets its deep brick red color from iron, and its smooth surface often has beautiful streaks or swirls. This stone has been used by ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to Native American tribes. Why? Because it symbolizes protection, physical strength, and a strong connection to the earth. It's often called the stone of endurance, a reminder to stay strong, focused, and rooted during difficult times. It's a favorite among those who meditate, practice yoga, or just want to carry a little extra strength through their day. Red jasper is versatile and bold, making it perfect for all kinds of jewelry, necklaces and pendants, bracelets and bangles, earrings, rings. In this video, you can see a beautiful variety of red jasper jewelry, featuring beaded necklaces, bracelets, statement pendants, earrings, and rings. Many pieces combine red jasper with metals like silver, brass, and copper, and are often paired with other gemstones such as onyx, agate, turquoise, and even pearls. Each design brings out the earthy elegance and bold character of red jasper in its own unique way. Now let's talk fashion. Styling tips. Boho chic. Layer a red jasper necklace over flowy cotton or linen outfits. Add wooden accessories for that earthy vibe. Workwear elegance. A single red jasper ring or pendant adds character to neutral blazers or black dresses. Traditional touch. Red jasper complements ethnic wear beautifully, especially in tribal or temple-style jewelry. Contrast colors. Red pops against teal, forest green, navy blue, or denim. Want balance? Try it with mustard or beige tones. Mix and match. Pair red jasper with turquoise, onyx, or even clear quartz for a healing crystal combo. Red jasper isn't just a gem, it's a statement of strength, grounding, and timeless beauty. Whether you wear it for its looks or its energy, one thing's for sure: red jasper jewelry adds fire and soul to your collection. Which piece caught your eye? A chunky pendant, a beaded bracelet, or a bold ring? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love learning about gemstone jewelry, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more unique jewelry inspirations.